Honda's Remote Start lets drivers start their engine using their remote key fob. It also lets drivers with automatic climate control preheat or pre-cool the vehicle, depending on outside conditions. Before using Remote Start, there are a few things to be aware of. The vehicle should always be parked outside in a well-ventilated area when using Remote Start. Note that the Remote Start range will be reduced if buildings or obstacles are between the vehicle and the remote. And lastly, external electrical interference from cell phones, laptops, and tablets may also affect the Remote Start range. To remote start your Honda, begin by pressing the lock button on the key fob. Then, press and hold the engine start button. Note that it may take several seconds for the engine to start. The exterior lights will flash several times if the engine starts successfully. The engine automatically shuts off after 10 minutes of idling. During this initial 10-minute cycle, repeat the remote start procedure to top up the runtime to 10 minutes. Note that this can only be done once. To remotely shut the engine off, press and hold the engine start button on the key fob for 1 second. When the engine is started remotely, the vehicle can set a temperature based on outside conditions. On warmer days, the air conditioning will activate. On cooler days, the vehicle will activate the heater, the defroster, and if equipped, the heated front seats and heated steering wheel. Some Honda models feature remote window control, allowing you to use the key fob to open the windows and the moonroof if equipped. Simply press the unlock button within about 15 meters of the vehicle. Then, within 10 seconds, press and hold the unlock button. Continue holding the unlock button until the windows have fully opened. This feature is on by default, but can be turned off if desired. For 7-inch color touchscreen models, begin by pressing the home button on the steering wheel. Then use the left selector wheel to navigate to Settings, Door Setup, Keyless Remote Power Window Control, and select Off. On 9-inch color touchscreen models, begin by pressing the home button on the touchscreen. Tap Vehicle Settings from the home screen, then select Door Window Setup, Remote Window Control, and then select Off. To learn more about the features offered on your Honda, visit hondahelp.ca.